taking a look at this, where we're doing the cosine of 15, 15 is not one of those that we know off the top of our head from the unit circle. It is one of them, if you remember back to when we first labeled everything on the unit circle. It is one of the angles we labeled, but we hadn't put any points on it like we did with the 30 or the 45 or the 60s and all around. What we're going to do with this is I'm going to change this cosine of 15 and make this into a couple of those angles we know that we can work with easily. I'm going to use 45 minus 30. This allows us to use the angles we already know, we've already spent this time working with, that we've committed to memory, that have been coming up on these quizzes over and over and over again. We're allowed to use those to help us get this new angle. And what we do, we look back here, make sure with the sine, with the cosine one, we're doing this one. This is a plus minus that's here. This is a minus plus. That just means the top goes with the top, the bottom goes with the bottom. So if we're doing alpha plus beta over here, we do a minus over here. If we have a minus on the left side, we do a plus on the right side. Back to this. That means I do cosine of 45. This is my alpha, this is my beta. Cosine of 45 times the cosine of 30. I don't do a minus here, I do the opposite sign, plus sine 45 sine 30. And then I should just be able to work through these. This is another reason I've been going and doing those quizzes over and over and over and over again, is to get this so that you don't have to think about it. You can kind of just work through and say, I know that's root 2 over 2. I know this is root 3 over 2. And a root 2 over 2. And 1/2. And then this becomes root 6 over 4 plus root 2 over 4. And I would just write that as one fraction. So we get root 6 plus root 2 all over 4.